what you're supposed to do. Watch out.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. And as you can see, I have all the kids around me. Chris went out for a walk, so I'm gonna try to get up here in a little bit because I don't want to feel like crap all day.
Oh. Hey, hi. Say hi. Oh. Oh. No.
Don't attack me, Dixie. Okay, I'm gonna get up. I took some Dayquil, so that better work.
So do you feel like too sick to where you can't get out?
No, I want to get out.
Hey,
but I feel like really sweaty. That's my problem.
Yeah, tell them hi.
Hi.
Tell them we're gonna have a good day.
Hi.
You're gonna go get a toy. We're not gonna cry.
And you need to change your clothes. She's been wearing the same dress. She doesn't want to get out of her dress.
This is her favorite dress, everybody. Oh yeah? You gonna jerk away from me? You gonna jerk away? Move, Dixie. I'm gonna go feed you.
She's on the side of the when he was being all grumpy this morning.
Man, look, I barely opened my eyes and she was already crying for COOKIES.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready.
I was the one that woke her up.
Maybe. I want some coffee.
Well, that's why you get up and make some, girl.
Make me some. Show me what you're doing.
Here you go.
Ooh. Yeah, see. Okay, I finally got dressed. I look like a nurse, huh?
What?
Like my pants, they look like scrubs.
No, they don't. That looks cute.
This is Lopez.
This is me.
Jasmine, she got makeup all over her face. But anyways, where are we going?
To eat first.
We're gonna go eat first. We don't know what we're gonna go
I'm
eat
so hungry.
because we're on a budget. Come here, let me see your face. Girl. So we're gonna go eat first and then I wanna do that refresher, Starbucks refresher thing.
After we eat.
And yeah, you guys, even though I feel like crap, I'm gonna look for somewhere to eat. Let me look. I'm gonna look. I need a camera mount.
Since nobody takes heed to the yield sign.
Nah, they don't. They don't care. Okay, we're gonna look for a Chicken Express. The other night I came
These boys are
home.
probably trying to burn off on me and go to the hotel.
The other night I came home and my freaking eyelashes were poking my eyes and I left them on the dash.
I'm never gonna do that.
If y'all do that to me,
Look at them.
you know my mom so messed up.
So we came to eat at Chicken Express. I really want some fried pickles, so I think that's what I'm
Oh,
thinking.
Mama, would they have open?
I don't think they do. You're so sweet. Give it to Daddy. That's nice. Y'all, we showed up at Chicken Express and they're freaking closed. Apparently, they don't have enough workers on the inside, so now we gotta load up again and go find somewhere else to eat. Where are we going? You can go wherever you want. I don't really care. I just want fried pickles. That sounds good, huh? Fried pickles. Hey, y'all, look at the OU College campus. We're from Texas, so this is new to us. I'm gonna keep saying that because I don't claim Oklahoma. And it's pretty nice, huh? Here, let me roll this down. It's pretty nice. Oh, look at college students. Put your head out the window, Liz. Ready? Come on.
Wait, get him.
Why are you teenagers so whack nowadays? Look at them. Okay, y'all, so we're going to Whataburger. Just put my camera out. Isn't that funny, y'all? I'm all vlogging with my camera in the car and stuff. Yeah, we just ate at Whataburger and went into the Goodwill. Show them what you found, most. Because it was right across the street from the Whataburger, so why not? He found a whole set of Rubik's Cubes. And then Jasmine got like a little Barbie. Christian.
Guess what, guys? I found these soccer shoes for $5. Cleats.
Why are you screaming at him?
And it's very cheap, and I got a good price for it.
Yeah, he likes to play soccer with his little friend outside. But we're gonna go try to find a little area we can chill at. It's still wide open, then until I bring it back. What's your ex doing up there? Thank you. Yay, I got my iced coffee. Dude. You're gonna tip that whole thing over. Look at him, don't even fit. Get up. He's too big for that. Okay, we're looking for the, what are we looking for? The sour gummy worms? No, we're gonna go get sour gummy worms for a drink. Come on, put it in here.
Chris,
They're a hot mess, y'all. This is embarrassing. People are probably like, why is she recording in here? Update. What's our update?
Oh, did we bring their stuff?
What stuff?
Oh, we're gonna bring some.
Oh, shoot. Now we can just go in. I forgot about that.
Put for the thing a day and the what's it called? What? How do you say it? What's your channel?
Forever One Fam.
A day in the Forever One Fam.
Ooh, I like that.
You having fun? Yeah. Oh God, I don't even feel like pulling myself up.
I don't think you should. Ooh, damn. Oh, you did it. You okay?
You okay?
Hey, you did it. You hurt your knee. Let me catch it.
You gotta climb up, but that's cheating.
you're cheating. He's cheating.
Look at this.
I love animals. Get off me, Carlos.
Okay guys, so we finally made it home and the boys wanted to make something called the Under the Sea Refresher that they seen. Well, really Lowe's. So what does it need?
We have Gatorade, Sprite, Charlie's. Oh, I don't know.
Show them. They're Trolley's sour bright crawlers. So they're just gummy worms.
Sour gummy worms. All right, let's pour it.
Spread the cups out. We don't have ice, huh?
Oh yeah, we do.
A couple.
Hey, we can each get one. Each get one.
No, you should get two.
Yeah, we each get two.
Okay. And earlier today we went and grabbed water so we could do this.
What water?
So we could use the cups so it could look good. Let me get a close up.
Okay.
You can fill it up a little bit more.
So that's blue Gatorade.
It's a little bit Gatorade. Right there.
Perfect.
Sprite.
Oh! Close it! Close it! Oh shoot! Dude, it got all over you. That's funny. I told you not to shake it. I knew this was gonna happen. It's all right. Just open it. Open it again.
Let Dixie do the job.
Okay, watch out.
What did you?
Sorry.
All right, so that was crazy.
Shaking store. That's for Carlos.
I wasn't shaking.
Did you add ice to it already?
No.
Put some ice in it.
Oh, okay. Mama, that's for Carlos because he made it first. Like, obviously.
You got all wet. Well, you have to take a shower anyways. You got school tomorrow.
Mama,
Oh,
make that noise. Sizzle.
Okay.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay, let's get the gummy worms.
You should have put the gummy worms at the bottom, huh?
Yeah, they are. They are gonna go at the bottom. See, look, they go at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
That looks good.
There's one of them.
Here you go, sir.
Who's taste testing? You are, huh?
Might as well.
Taste testing.
We can't taste this. We gotta taste ours.
Let me see this. You don't like it?
I don't know.
Is it nasty?
All right, I want to make mine.
Put some more Gatorade, maybe.
Yeah, try some more Gatorade. No, more Sprite, cause like.
Nah, more Gatorade. That's the whole point of it.
Don't worry, we got a lot of it.
Okay, so you got to put a little bit more Gatorade. That's funny.
Look how it looks
Right here,
though.
Carlos.
Hey, that
Gatorade
looks
right
cool.
here. Better.
Is it really good?
Yeah, if you put a gum in your mouth and swallow it.
Yeah, I'll try it. Here, record me. I'll try it.
And chew it. It tastes so good.
Record my face.
Gio, y'all is.
Dang, Chunky. It tastes refreshing.
It's good.
Mhm.
A little bit sour, but it's good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Those, I always tell y'all not to zoom in. They don't listen to me.
I was trying.
Let's go see what Chris is doing real quick.
He's in the shower, bro.
You slick with it. Are you for real right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah.
I didn't see your body. It's already like 7:30 at night. We're gonna go ahead and get the kids ready and get them something to eat. But please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.